The EACHINE E520S is my latest drone, and I've been having a fun time playing with that. It's actually surprised me quite a bit by how good it is for the price. So because it has a GPS, it's super stable and it's really easy for anyone to fly. It has a camera on it, and the camera actually has surprisingly good video quality for the price of the drone. I've used other drones in a similar price range, and the cameras are almost always really terrible. This camera, I wouldn't say is fantastic, but I would say it's actually pretty good. Out of the box, you get a manual that I suggest you keep around because it tells you very important things like how to calibrate this drone. It also comes with blade protectors that I do not suggest you use, as they usually create more problems than they actually solve. This also comes with the remote control that has a smartphone holder on it, and the drone itself is very lightweight and it has arms and blades that flip out. The camera is in front of the drone, and for this particular model I don't really see any obvious way to change the angle of the camera. One nice feature with this drone that not all similar model drones has is an SD card slot that you can use when you take pictures or record video. The battery can be charged using micro USB, and the battery is easy to insert and easy to remove from the drone. Before flying this drone, you should ensure that it is properly calibrated and that it's not a super windy day. Because of how lightweight the drone is, I don't really recommend that you fly this drone when it is windy. So to calibrate the drone, you will need to push the calibration button on the remote, and then you rotate the drone on the horizontal and then on the vertical plane. The drone will have beeps to let you know that that was successful. I also recommend that you wait until you get the beep that indicates that the satellites are connected before attempting to fly. You can actually see in this clip that when it is kind of windy and it's not fully calibrated or connected to the satellites, it really is a bit difficult to fly this drone. In this clip, however, you can see that now that I am connected to all the satellites, it is super stable and it is not going anywhere unless I direct it to. As I mentioned before, I do feel that the video quality from this drone is actually pretty good. So overall, I feel like this is a really good drone for the price. I would definitely recommend this drone as a starter drone to anyone who thinks they might want to invest more money into a drone that costs like $500 or more. The main drawbacks with this drone, in my opinion, is that for one, it is really lightweight. So while this isn't necessarily a bad thing, it does mean that it is influenced by the wind a lot more than some of these heavier drones. Another thing with this drone is that the box it comes in is really the only way to carry this drone around. It does not come in a foam carrying case or anything like that. I've posted a link down below so you can check it out for yourself.